March 1896. 4,000 Italian soldiers wake up as prisoners. They just lost the Battle of Adwa. They are waiting to die. That's what Europe does to captured Africans. So they expected the same. But then something happens that breaks their understanding of the world. Emperor Menelik walked through the prison camp, orders his men to bring food, water, medical care. The Italians are confused. Then he does something that will haunt Europe for decades. He releases them, sends them home alive, with one message. Tell them what you saw here. Those soldiers go back to Italy and can't explain what happened. How do you tell Europe that the savages had more honor than you did? How Menelik used mercy as weapon, and why it terrified every colonial power? Full story on YouTube, link in bio.